Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Thank you very much. Welcome back to my channel. And don't forget, for those who just tuning in my channel, my name is Eleftheria and I'm running a website called eleftheriabusinesspr.com, and I'm helping business owners to grow the business by following the correct strategies and earn a sustainable income. In today's video, I have a couple of updates for Pinterest, and also don't forget, upload videos every Thursday. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and connect with me on the social media. So today's video is a couple of updates about Pinterest, because people are asking that the analytics are not updated. Well, there might be some delays, but they're also, working, and there is no any other algorithm changes, but that is not actually your concern. So you need to make sure that you're focusing on having the right keywords. And there I have a free course, and the link is below if you want to have a look through. So, and take the free course. I explain more in my course how to follow the right strategies to stay on the top. So this is a couple of changes, because we go to main dashboard, to your main profile, and then you go create a pin. Just a quick one. So if you see here, you actually can download the image here. You have the title, you have 500 characters with the description, and then you have the add all text, so you can have more text here. And remember guys, that when Pinterest is asking us to put some data on, we need to put some data on. It's simple as that. This is why people fail, and this is there is a lot of strategies you can follow to grow, and that's why people, they cannot grow their account on Pinterest, or they cannot convert more clients. On my Pinterest marketing strategy course, I have all the strategies that nobody's talking about, and I have strategies that they will help you convert clients and, make at least 5 to 10K a month. So it's simple as that. But remember that if you need to put some data or a text or a keywords, this is it. You need to pay attention to details. And inside my course, I share more strategies, and also, how to find the right keywords and volumes and etc. And I want to say that to you, because there are always updates, and this is the one I noticed recently. So I don't know if you haven't, so I thought I should mention that to you. So alter text, Then a couple of other things, analytics. Pay attention to your analytics. Again and again, I say that. Have a look through what is organic, paid, and earned traffic, what is working for you. The impressions are very important for Pinterest, guys. You need to make sure you're increasing your impressions. And I say that to you again, make sure you get the right traffic. And this is also new, so you can see the updates here inside, and explain performances of your pins, a couple of new things, and also the paid strategy, the paid Pinterest marketing campaign has changed a lot of things. So explain to you any pins you save, what is all other pins. So it's giving you what's the impression, what does mean, the engagements, the pin clicks, and then the outbound clicks. So those who click to go to the website, remember. So those are the close-up, the pin clicks and everything. So you need to put all of those things in mind. You need to pay attention to those engagements. Also, remember that doesn't matter what the algorithm changes. This is what I focus on, the content, and have a plan and a strategy to increase, your conversions. This is what I talk about it. You need to make sure you convert half of your clients into half of your from your page for your visitors, website visitors, into clients. That is your plans. So if you have like 1,000, for example, people that visit your site daily, we speak about daily, right? So you need at least to convert half of them, at least, half of them. So that is what you need to make sure. So that is for today, the latest updates. And again, the designs and everything, they're very important, but have a strategy, guys. Take the free course because I explained to you what is the right step, how to grow the account from the beginning correctly, and what to do. And that's it. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. And I wish you well.